Today we are going to be unboxing everything I received as a Hallyu creator for Korean Cultural Center in Nigeria. Now this is a complete set of a video maker, a neck tripod and a LED light. This was given to encourage, support and improve our content creation life. Now let's unbox the neck tripod. Yay! Now it's time to unbox this LED light by Dodox. And finally, let's unbox the video maker. The video maker came with a tripod, a LED flash, a microphone and a smartphone universal holder. Now let's assemble everything. Finally, I was able to figure out my new video maker, and here you have it. The video maker, the neck tripod and the LED flash. That is it about today's video. See you in our next one, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Annyeong!